Yeah.
Life.
AKA.
AKA
Donvillie.
Donvillie. You know?
Yeah, Russell. I never hear talking in there. Russell. Wanna got me good? No. Turn out, man. We never hear Russell in here. Donvillie. No name gangy, but we here, boy.
The man gone a notch, yeah, man.
We gotta turn over.
Project 2025, Brady Project 25. Just go check out Brady Project 2025. Google it and you will see Donvillie come up.
You know you can get fish, medium rare, or whatever. The fish down though, it down know.
You feel like it down by now? I want a belly, you know.
You get a belly with 15 minutes and then have you had more lemon with the spray up on it?
We ain't gotta strike it the fast anymore.
Nah, it felt good.
Alright people, it looks like, you know what I mean, we get it somewhere here. Do test that little piece there, Brady, right there.
The little piece there.
Test that little piece and see if that how it working. Oh, you want me to test it?
Test it,
yeah, let me test it. Oh shit, put that back in fair, you can't. Put that back there and bleed fair, purify that there and shake that off.
That got shit.
Slam it there and put that back in fair.
Don't put it closely, thing.
Don't put it closely, yeah. Left that, hit that there, boy. We ain't missing nothing. Right now, God, bread cost living high in Barbados. Anything drop off the stove, anything drop in the ground, we paying back in the pot. Oh, man, we eating.
Right back in the fucking pot.
Right back in the pot. We ain't changing, we ain't nothing. Dogs gonna be cruel this year, next year. Because all that scraps and thing, scraps belongs to me now. The scraps is mine. I fighting with the dogs for the scraps. If it get onto that there. Yeah, my man know we're going okay with it. See this piece though. What do you think so far about the grill, man? So far, what do you think? What do you think,
man,
big brother?
Like it, man.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
It's a nice improvement.
Yeah.
It's handy outside.
Yeah.
You know, anywhere you can go, you take it.
Yeah. Take it to the spring.
The hills.
The beach, the hills. The bushes.
And enjoy your meal.
Yeah, man. And enjoy, you
nice
know what I mean?
Fresh fish from the outside in the rivers.
And the bag of coals real light too.
I mean,
in a log way you can travel with, you know. You
don't got later fruit, nothing.
I ain't got no later fruit, nothing, so.
Wait before you want later fruit,
yeah. Light your grill and chill.
Yeah, light your grill, smoke some weed and chill.
I eat fish at will.
I eat fish at will. That's right.
Hear me, Will Smith.
No, don't eat fish at will. We ain't eating the will. Fuck Will. No, don't fuck Will. Stay the fuck away from Will. Stay the fuck away from Will. Stay the fuck away from Will. We don't deal with that fuckery. Yeah, real thing. Project 2025, man.
That, right? Eat alone, you think that, no?
Then start cooking. This is what we dealing with here. Look. Everybody got their own project with 2025. We dealing with food. We feeding people, and we trying to survive here.
Gay plate,
and we showing people how to survive here.
Call me white drop over again.
Yeah, me want that drop.
God bless.
I get that little piece there now, right?
Yeah, you get a little piece. Keep my lip. You hold it, go, we'll be playing.
Drop it in my hand here, drop it, brother. Woo, it hot.
That's all,
Yo.
You alright?
Whoa.
Jesus Christ. Ah, you gonna show yourself, man. Turn the camera, show yourself.
I'm gonna show myself, yeah. I'm show myself.
What you tell you, boy?
We mysterious people. No disclosed location.
Everybody see me razzle face.
Nobody should face that, not from how we, not from this here. Not my should face it. Talk.
Look at that, look at that.
Now this is the finished product. I mean, of outdoor cooking right here at 10 Star. That's right, outdoor chef, outdoor, whatever you want to call it, man. We outside.
I did the secret sauce, right?
Secret sauce.
They call this killer sauce.
Killer sauce.
But it don't kill you. It's killer sauce.
It just kill the bacteria and stuff in your stomach.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Killer sauce. And
so we can put some. What we can do with this here? We can put some lettuce, right? We can put some lettuce. I think with this here, right?
Now we can do that.
We can put some lettuce, but you say you eat fishy lettuce. We can wrap fish and lettuce and eat.
Alright, but before we get the lettuce, I can get piece of mine now.